Okay, good evening. Here's a quick, hopefully a short video. I picked this up today at a local recycling centre, and it's a flash gun for my camera, the one I'm actually using at the moment. And I thought, well, you know, we'll give it a go. It cost me £1, so you know, quite a bit of a saving on the new price of these things. It's Vivitar branded. It's a reasonable make, so let's give it a go and see what happens. Try and find a new set of batteries. Batteries drawer with batteries in it. There we go. We've got a pair of asda batteries. So we've got one up and one down. And let's plug it in. And I hear nothing, which isn't a good sign. Let's see, can I check the, see, I can't even see the back of the battery contact at the moment. Oh, I can actually, just in there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in and get you focused. Just in here, I wonder if that'll come off. Let's take the batteries out. Ah, there we go. That, let me zoom you out again. That might be part of the reason why we're not getting anywhere. So let's have a quick scrape and make it shiny again. Obviously, if I was going to do a complete job on this, I'd get the Dremel and the wire wool and completely scrub this off. But for now, let's just give this a quick go. Let's see, let's just do that. And what we'll do is we'll just get the meter in and make sure so we've got 0 ohms there now. So let's first of all clip that back in. So that one up, that one down. No, the other way round. Helps if you get them the right way round. Come on, there you come. Right, that one goes in that way. That one goes in that way. And I can hear it fire up. And we've got the red light on, so we should, if I bring it back into view and put my hand just in front of it, there we go. Hit the manual trigger and let's wait for it again. Yep. Oh, there we go. Sorry for such a disappointing video. I thought I might actually have to get inside and fix this thing. But yeah, there we go. One Vivitar 2500 flash gun for the camera for £1. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. See you soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye for now.